In this video, you'll learn 5 essential tips for navigating tabs within Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, Jonathan here with Excel Help Now. Got a short video for you today. Just want to go over 5 really helpful hotkey tips for navigating tabs within a Microsoft workbook. They've will save you a lot of time and they're pretty easy to master as well. So the first one we're going to go over is renaming a tab. I have the hotkey up here, Alt OHR. So you tap Alt and then you'll cycle through O, then H, then R. So I'll show you how to do that here. We have the rename tab as our tab name right now. Let's go ahead and do the Alt OHR, and then I'm doing a YouTube test. So you can see that I renamed it and then just click enter to lock it in, and that's done. So that one's really helpful. Instead of having to double click, you can just do the Alt OHR and you can rename it and move on. And then to navigate between tabs, go either down or up, do the control and then page down or page up. So that's just helpful to know that. So let's do control page down to get to our next sheet. And so this is inserting a tab, and you can see I have Shift F11 there as the hotkey to do that. And just one note, when you do this, it's going to insert before your current tab. So just make sure that wherever you want to insert your tab that you know that it's going to insert before this. So it'll insert before the insert tab. And you can see we have a sheet 7 come in now. That's how to insert sheets, and that's super helpful to do instead of having to go over here and click the plus. Just nice to know that you can do that really quickly. And then the next one, we'll go page down. We got Alt EL to delete a tab. So this is extremely helpful. Instead of having to right click and then go to delete, you can just do Alt EL and we can delete it. So let's go delete that sheet 7, Alt EL, and it's gone. So another easy one. And so it's just Alt and then do E and then L. So you don't have to hold down E and L at the same time. Just cycle through them, E, then L. Okay, and then moving a tab. So this is actually going to bring up a dialog box. So the hotkey to bring that up is Alt EM. So Alt EM, and then I have this move or copy dialog box that comes up. And then from here, you can just up or down arrow to where you want to move your tab. And then let's say we want to do the move it before the delete tab. And then you just do tab. You can either select to create a copy or not, and then tab one more time to get to the OK, and then click enter. And you can see we moved it. And so if we want to do that again and move it back to where it was, we want to move it before the copy tab, arrow down to get to it, tab over, and then click OK. And then we moved it back. And then the final one is going to be copying a tab. So this is the same dialog box, Alt EM, and you saw before we had that create a copy at the end. So we want to go ahead and just let's move it to the beginning YouTube test, and then we tab over and then do the spacebar to get that checkbox activated, and then a tab to get to OK. And you can see we just created a tab at the very beginning of the copy tab. So I'll go through that one more time. So Alt EM brings up our move or copy dialog box. You can either arrow down or arrow up to select where you want to do your copy before. So we'll do it before this insert tab, and then you'll do a tab to get to the create a copy, and then spacebar to check it or uncheck it. So we're going to go ahead and check it. So I hit the spacebar one time, and then one more tab to activate this OK box, and then enter to do that. And so there it is. That's 5 really helpful hotkeys that you can use to navigate Excel tabs. I found this is a huge time saver. So if you can master these, it's really going to save you a lot of time, and it's really going to make your Excel prowess show out. If somebody's at your desk and you're walking through a spreadsheet, if you can do a lot of these quick hotkeys, it is pretty impressive, and it does save a lot of time. So I hope you found this helpful. Um, Please like and subscribe. I have a lot of Excel tips, tricks, charts, dashboards that I walk through, and I do have a link in the description to my Etsy page. So if you want to check out some of the charts and templates I have available, that's all available on my Etsy page. So thank you for watching, and God bless.